Being a locum dentist gives you freedom, but when it comes to your mortgages, that freedom can feel like a barrier. In this video, I'll reveal why most dentists struggle and here are the key things that can completely change your chances for mortgage approval. Stick around because one small mistake could cost you thousands. I honestly get it. Look, working as a locum dentist gives you freedom, setting your own schedule, choosing where you work, often earning well above your salary colleagues. But the same freedom can look like a risk to a mortgage lender. Your income isn't neatly packaged like a payslip. Instead, you've got a mix of invoices, bank statements, and tax returns, which means that the traditional tick box approach to lenders doesn't always fit. And the key thing is the danger. If you don't know how to present your income and your situation properly, you could face rejections. Smaller loan offers are higher interest rates, and that's not where you want. And the reality is, it's not because you can't afford the property, it's simply because the lender doesn't understand your income and your career structure. So here's the 5 key things that you need to make sure you do. Consistency is the king. Even if your income varies month to month, lenders want to see a pattern. Showing steady earnings across at least 12 to 24 months reassures lenders that your work is reliable, not just a short-term spot. And your tax returns, they do tell a story. I've noticed dentists sometimes underestimate their income to save on tax. That's fine until you actually want a mortgage. Lenders usually look at declared income, so what's on your tax calculation? It does really matter. Now, this is the game changer. Invoices and bank statements can actually get you a mortgage. So for many locums, lenders will also consider ongoing contracts or regular work from the same practice. Having those records organized can show consistency beyond your tax paperwork. And if needed, there are specialist lenders that exist. Not every bank understands locum life. Some niche lenders are much more flexible with self-employed professionals. Finding the right one can be the difference between a computer that says no and a mortgage approval. And always think ahead before you're applying. I've seen dentists rush into mortgage applications only to be held back by missing paperwork on odd blip in their accounts. Preparing 6 months in advance gives you time to smooth things out and present your strongest case. The key thing that you need to take away from today, being a locum dentist doesn't mean mortgages are out of reach. Far from it. It just means that the journey isn't always as straightforward like it is for your salaried colleague. The key lesson I've learned with working with locums is the more you plan ahead, the more doors that are open for you. A little preparation now can save you a lot of frustration later down the line.